Yeah, no, couple of points. First of all, I take it as very derogatory what Abbas has said about my Dalit community, where he's saying that if I was from a Dalit community, I may not be able to articulate as quote unquote well as I do, which is absolutely shameful comment coming from my good friend Abbas. Number two, for him to say this, it's a typical leftist, it's not Islamist, it's leftist argument. That, oh, you are talking from a position of privilege, so you won't be able to understand. Do I need an apple to fall on my head to understand gravity? Can I not be sensitive? Can I not be empathetic and sympathetic to a concern? What about humanity? Going by your logic, unless you are suffering something, you will not be able to understand or be sympathetic to a person who's suffering it. Ye logic hatao aage se. Number two, as my good friend Nikhil Jain came up with this argument as whataboutery, because I quoted Nehru and he took real offense to it and he was embarrassed. He brought out a quote supposedly of Mr. Golwalkar. Now, I don't know whether that quote is by him or not, but I condemn anyone saying that the place of women is in the kitchen. I condemn it. I challenge Nikhil to condemn what Nehru said, that backward castes are second or third rate. मैं condemn कर रहा हूं. अगर तुम्हारी हिम्मत है विदाउट कोटा, कंडेम कर लो जवाहरलाल नेहरू को, औकात में आ जाओगे.
निखिल,
Jawaharlal Nehru was the person who started the land reforms to give the OBC communities the land.
Wonderful. Jawaharlal Nehru was great. He got Bharat Ratna for everything that you are saying.
No.
Will you condemn what he said about...
STs
1 minute. No. Now take a position. Nikhil, you can't run away. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता ना कि आप दूसरों को ऐसे टेस्ट पेपर दे और खुद सवाल का जवाब नहीं दे.
I am taking a position.
What position are you taking?
Position was not to include reservation in every walk of life.
Oh, and his commentary around it.
Reservation in every walk of
life. Dr. Ranganathan,
देखिए. I do agree with that.
ये open exam हो गया. Open exam में निखिल जैन fail हो गए.
Nikhil has proved that merit is a flawed concept.
Yeah, Nikhil had to, because he's under pressure to validate Rahul Gandhi. So Nikhil will say, I did it for my leader.
Pranesh, one simple point. I believe we are coming to the end of the show. I thought today is a day to celebrate Subhanshu Shukla's achievements, but instead this competitive whataboutery on your show, competitive quoting, has taken that away. Let's, celebrate his great achievement. And like I'm saying, we are creating opportunities in the space sector which will enable people from all communities to be there on merit. That should be the point. I think we must trust the aptitude of the SC/ST community instead of thrusting them in certain positions. That should be the attitude. And I think, let's like I mentioned, celebrate the achievement of this great achiever without undermining it because of his surname.
Now look at this latest stunt. Merit is so flawed that sometimes it is unbelievable. Nikhil has a placard. रतन शारदा जी देखिए, आप पढ़ पा रहे हैं कि नहीं? उसमें लिखा है, I am proud of उदित राज, पता नहीं क्या लिखा है. I am proud of शुभांशु शुक्ला. Is तुहीन सिन्हा proud of जोहरान ममदानी? रतन शारदा जी.
Well, I am not. What's the problem? I am not. Because he is a Hindu hater, he is a India hater, he is a Modi hater. I don't love him. So
नहीं सर, आपने ध्यान नहीं दिया. रतन शारदा जी, माफ कीजिएगा, आपने ध्यान नहीं दिया सर. Nikhil, just raise that paper again. Raise that paper again.
Yeah. That is for Tuhin. The question is for Tuhin.
Let's zoom in. Let's go full frame for a moment. 8 minutes. Let's go full frame to this paper that... देखिए. I am proud of Sudhanshu Shukla. Someone who can't even get the name right. Shubhanshu है वो Sudhanshu नहीं है. How proud you are. यही होता है जब ये गलत मैंने पहले ही बोला था.
I am typing in the middle of a debate. If you cut me some slack.
मैंने डॉक्टर रंगनाथन मैंने बोला था ये प्रिंटर गलत प्रिंट आउट दे रही है.
प्रिंटर चाइनीज है.
प्रिंटर
एमओयू में खरीदा गया था, चाइनीज प्रिंटर है.
I must respond to this, this slamming RSS about when there is no reason to slam. what Golwar Guruji said in 1942 is negated by his continuous role in promoting women across all the organizations in RSS everywhere. Vishnu Hindu Parishad, Rashtriya Sevika Samiti, he supported Sevika Samiti all through. And RSS is not bound to one particular person, it is bound to ideology. What did Mohan Bhagwat ji say? He said, स्त्रियों को जो करना करने दो, उनको पर मेहरबानी मत करो, उनको फेवर मत करो, जो करती हैं करने दो, अपना स्थान अपने आप ढूंढेंगी. That is RSS statement. That is not some individual statement. So let us not get into the time warp. You know, you are always stuck in time warp. हमने लड़ाई लड़ी थी आजादी की, तुम कहाँ थे? All that is, you know, gone.
पहले तो ये अभी ये प्रिंटर से लड़ाई लड़ रहे हैं, वो प्रिंटर वाली लड़ाई को ये पहले जीत लें, क्योंकि मैंने पहले वार्निंग दिया था, उसके बाद भी गलत हो गया ये. अब आई डोंट नो इसके कितने मीम्स बनेंगे और कब तक चलेंगे, बट मेरिट इज नॉट सो फ्लॉ